Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a quick review of the wallet case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of the Samsung wallet case for Galaxy S24 FE, you will find the case. So here is the S-View wallet case for Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. As you can see here at the back, we got the Samsung branding cutout for the camera lenses and the flash. On the front side, we got the cutout for the S-View for the earpiece. At the bottom, we got the cutout for the USB Type-C port, the microphones and the speaker grill. And at the top, we got the cutouts for the speaker grill. Inside here, you will find the slot for the cards. That's why it is called S-View wallet case, because you can carry some cards here. And here you can see that we got this soft velvet fabric that is connected to the interior of the back panel, and it's going to provide the cushioning effect if you drop your smartphone accidentally with your case on it, to reduce the impact and absorb it. Rest of the body is made of polycarbonate faux leather kind of fabric here, as you can see. So let's put our smartphone inside. And here we go. So as you can see, it is fitting perfectly on our Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. The best part is it is covering the whole body, even for the power button and the volume rockers. They are not exposed, they are behind this hard polycarbonate shell. So the back, side, bottom, top, everything is fully covered, as well as the display. We only got this slide cutout for the S-View, and if you do not know how it works, if I just tap on it, then I can see the time, battery percentage, date, etc. in the S-View to quickly access the information I need. And if I open it, then the proximity sensor starts working and it will just lit up the display. I can then unlock and use it, and if I just flip the flap of the case, then the device will be locked and S-View will be activated, as you can see here. Samsung officially says that in this slot here, the wallet slot, do not put more than one card because it is designed for one card only. So here goes one card and it is fitting perfectly here. Let me try one more card. Okay, so yes, two cards can be placed in this wallet here. It will be just a bit tight, as you can see, but still you can place two cards and you can use them one by one. So that's quite nice. Maybe you can place three as well, it's up to you, but Samsung suggests not to put more than one card to damage the stitches and everything. But as you can see, at least two cards can go, so you can carry one ID card and one of your credit card or debit card in this S-View wallet case. So if you're planning to buy a nice case for your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE that can provide whole body protection and comes with a nice feature like the slot for carrying ID card and credit cards, as well as the S-View, then the S-View wallet case for Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is one of the best options for you for sure. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.